Hey guys, it's Suzanne O'Brien, and welcome to this edition of O Mag File Fridays. I am thrilled about this one. This is something that is so timely and so important and will create that change that we want to see in the world. My name is Suzanne O'Brien. I am a registered nurse that is a holistic wellness nurse, and the creator of Doulagivers Trainings and Foundation. This article I want to share with you is the 31 game-changing ideas how a little effort can make such a huge difference out in the world. And in this article, they give you 31 ideas of how you and I can do something to contribute to making this world a much better place. And I have to tell you, I've always believed in this, that a little bit of effort, showing a little kindness, doing one thing for someone else can change everything in the world. And if we all did that, if we all did one act of kindness or one gesture of volunteering or donation, think about the impact that would have. So this is such an inspiring article, and it has great ideas. They have 31 listed. I can't go through them all, but I do want to highlight a few things. The importance of understanding that a little effort on our part can be a huge thing to the other person. So we don't want to think that maybe that even isn't doing much, because we don't know. And I can tell you from the work that I do that when you do a kindness and something even as simple as bringing a cup of hot coffee to someone who can't leave their home, it means so much to them, and it's so little on our part. So a few of the ideas here and things that relate to the work that I've done, and other things that I kind of want to highlight. And again, I wish I could go through all of them because they're amazing, but I want you to go ahead and pick up this magazine and to research. You can Google this particular ad, is leaving a legacy. So important. They're talking about doing your wills and the importance of that and leaving a legacy as far as what do you want people to know from the impact that you have. And they have freewill.com, makes it easy and complete way to do your wills. They have a lot of suggestions on how to help. Welcome a refugee. Maybe there could be nothing that's more important than welcoming a refugee into your home and caring for somebody and helping to change what was a very difficult situation, and their whole life in front of them can be different. I know families who've done that. It has been absolutely incredible to hear the journey and to meet the people. What about the way of hang with the OG crowd? And everyone knows that I love to hang with the OG crowd. I'm the Doulagiver creator and founder, and the elders are my soft spot. They are, for me, such a gentle, forgotten population that has so much love and wealth. And when I spend time with my elders, it is magical and loving. So hang with the OG crowd. Let's not just ignore them. Spend some time with them. And again, you can bring a cup of coffee or take somebody out for a walk, or even just companionship, listening for an hour. Of course, we can do tons of things like donating money to organizations, clean water. I mean, these are things that are basic essentials, are so key. Then there's also the lending your brain to science, or leaving your body, donating your body to science. And one in particular that I also want to highlight is about give a girl a hand. And it is time for us to raise up our women and our girls and make sure that they are getting the education and the opportunities that they need. And there's an organization here that you can be part of, and it is all about giving a girl a hand. It looks amazing about education and the difference that makes across the board. So I will actually put a list of these organizations down so you can quickly go to the ones that you want. But the point of this OMAG File Friday is that each one of us, now more than ever, is called forward to give, support, and be kind where we can to people all over the world. And if we each did one little thing, we could change this world with that ripple effect. Kindness is everything, and kindness is something that doesn't cost a penny. So let's give it out, let's change this world, and let's be there for one another. Thank you, everyone. This is Suzanne O'Brien on this edition of OMAG File Fridays. Have a great day.